Hello guys, all of you, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you some self-defense techniques that are really helpful for any critical situation or during any street fight. So not delaying anymore, let's get started our video. So today all the technique I will show you on the combination kick. So for today's first technique, that will be also a combination technique with many kicks, and this kick will be helpful for you when there is two enemy. One enemy is coming in from your front side and other one is on from the back side. Okay, and for the front side enemy, first you will do one side kick. Okay, like this, only one side kick, and this side kick will make the front side enemy to make him far away from me. Okay, and that will help me to get time to kick the backside enemy. And first one side kick and then one turning kick on the backside, and it is for the backside enemy. Okay, and this turning kick will make the backside enemy fall on the ground. Okay, and then from here, after make a turning kick in my backside and then again one turning kick, and this will also help me to fall make the front side enemy fall on the ground. So now the both enemy will fall on the ground, and this will make me to run away from that critical situation. So again, see this technique: first one side kick, then one turning kick, and again one turning kick. Okay, and seeing this leg, first one side kick for the front side enemy, then one turning kick for the back side enemy, and again one turning kick for the front side enemy. Okay, this is the real meaning of this technique. And yes, you can do many more combination with many kicks, like you can do out to in kick or into out kick on the enemy, like here by this. Okay, but I prefer to make a side kick to make the front side enemy go far away, and then one turning kick to make the backside enemy fall on the ground, and again one turning. Okay, and this is the first technique of today's. Now that is jumping side kick. See here, in fighting position, and then first jump, one spot jump, and then one kick. Okay, and this is not like this which I have shown. Okay, and this technique will be like one jump and then one side kick. Okay, you can see. Okay, and this is a very much deadliest kick in karate, and all of you can think how much deadly it is. And it's in this technique you need to focus on your jump, how much you better do jump, and that will make your kick more better. Okay, you can see in this leg, first jump then kick. Okay, means first one jump and then one side kick. Okay, you can see. Okay, this is today's second technique, and I think there is nothing very much complication in this, but you need to do very much practice for this technique. And otherwise this technique is also easy if you do very much practice. And here you need to do the jump very much high, and this is nothing about this technique. So now second technique is also on the combination technique, and that is the combination of into out, out to in, and turning kick. And see, this is also like what I have shown in the first technique, that is both enemies are coming in from your front side and back side. Then, and in this technique, see, first see, then I will explain you. First you need to do one into out, then out to in, and then one turning side kick or turning kick, anyone, and then again one side kick. Okay, and this is the technique. And now first I have done into out. Okay, and the I have done the into out for if the enemy catch some weapon, that is if the enemy catch some gun or some knives, then the into out kick will help me to make the frontside enemy to throw his weapon from his hand. Okay, see, first into out, then one also out to in from my another leg, and it will be on the face of the frontside enemy. That will make the enemy to fall, not fall, but he will hurt from my out to in kick. Okay, and the first one is to self defense for myself, and the second out to in is for the enemy's hit. See, first into out, then out to in, then one side kick or turning kick for the backside enemy. Okay, and then again one side kick. Okay, this is the technique or the combination. Again, see in this leg, first into out, then out twin, then side kick, then turning kick. Okay, and you can combine many kicks in this type of technique. Like see, again see in this leg, first into out twin, and then turning kick or side kick, then again one turning kick. Okay, one. This is the technique. Okay, and there is nothing much complication, but you need to do this technique in right way and in right place. Okay, and also in right time. That will make the enemy very much hurt, and these kicks are very deadly and all are useful in your any self defense and also in any street fight technique. Okay, and there is, I think, nothing much to tell about this technique. So now let's see what we have done in this video from the first to the last. First, we have done one side kick, then one turning kick, and then one again turning kick. Okay, now see, this is the technique. And now in another leg, let's see. First, okay, this is the first technique. And now the second technique we have done, that is jumping side kick. See, okay, in another leg. Okay, this is the second technique. And now the third technique we have done, that is one into out to in, turning kick, again turning. Okay, let's see. In front side, in front leg, that is into out, again see. Okay, and in another leg, okay, these are the all technique we have done. We have seen all the techniques, and these kicks are very much deadly, and all the kicks are combined technique except one, that is jumping side kick. Okay, and there is nothing much to tell about in this video. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching my video. Bye guys.